Hey guys, I'm working on replacing the cabinet handles. When I got these, they were black, and I really wanted to have something a little bit different from this style, and got these ones. These ones are a little bit different from the original ones, and let me show you. These ones, they are shorter in terms of the space where the screws go. As a result, if you buy these and you want to replace with these, you're looking at it, you'll just be like, oh, it cannot work. But this is what you can do. You'll take something like a spirit level, which it's a very important tool. So you take a spirit level, you take off your handles, just do that. And then take off your handles. When you take off your handles, you will see that it will not go on the holes that are there. So what you can do is get a spirit level. You draw out where you're going to have your holes on your spirit level to be exact. And the reason why you're using a spirit level is so that you can transfer those holes on here. So what you can do when you come over here, you're placing your spirit level like this. You make sure that the distance between this hole and where you're making the next hole is the same. And then your spirit level, you're also going to see that your holes are the same, aligned. Looking at it, you see that this hole is not the same with this hole. So I want to make sure that my holes are the same. I'm going to push it to be on top of the hole, like directly on top of the hole. As it's directly on top of the hole, I will just make a mark here, or make another mark up there. Then I will drill through. Just put it on the hole, make sure my drill is straight, and I'll drill through it. And then I'll do the same on here. And then once that is done, I'll wipe it off. So that out, you see how the holes are different. The newer holes are over the shorter holes, and that makes it possible for this to cover it. What you can do when you put it and it's not really getting into the hole, because there's a slight difference, what you need to put in a drill, tilt your drill a little bit up, and then you should be able to get it this time. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pass the screw right there. You see how this is sitting over the old hole, so you're not gonna see it by the time I'm done with it. It's gonna cover the hole. See how it goes in? So that's how you adjust your holes. The finished work looks really good. You don't see any holes. See how it looks? So that's how you can do it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me questions. Feel free to talk about other projects, and I'll be happy to help you through any of your projects you're working at home. Thank you.